Okay, so we do have a homework assignment for you. And this homework is not graded, but it is for you to complete, sort of to practice the skills that you learned today. So the homework assignment, so we have another file for you to practice parsing in the homework assignment. So from your MolSSI workshop folder, if you click on the data folder, you will see, or you don't have to click on it, but you'll see another file called o3_prod.mdout. And so Dr. McDonald is going to click on that file so that we can look at it. And if you're a molecular scientist, then you might be interested in what this file is, but it's just an output text file from a molecular dynamics simulation. If you're not a molecular scientist, don't worry too much about sort of what the data is in this file, but if you look at it, you'll scroll down and you'll see a lot of information, but eventually, if you keep scrolling, you'll see this section called results, and underneath you'll see sets of sections that start with in, step, time, ETOT, and there are just thousands of these in the file. And what we would like you to do is we would like you to open this file, read the data in, and extract all of the values associated with this ETOT. So you'll be looking for lines that contain the phrase ETOT has an equal and then is equal to a number. And what we would like you to do for your homework is to append all of those values to a list. So that is the homework. It's to pull out all of the values associated with ETOT and append them to a list. You want to make those floating point numbers as well. And we will post the homework prompt to the NanoHub group. So if you feel like you need to see that written down, don't worry, we're going to put it on the NanoHub group. There is also in the data folder another folder called, instead of out files, it's called mdout. And that has a collection of mdout files. So if you want to practice the glob library, you can use those if you want to practice multiple file parsing. So that is the homework assignment.
All right. So again, everybody, the file that you're parsing is o3_prod md.out, and it is in that data folder in your MolSSI workshop folder.